showing that air contains about 1/5 oxygen. So how can we show that air contains 1/5 of oxygen? In the first experiment, we'll use copper to prove that we have 1/5 oxygen. So this apparatus right here is used to find the percentage of oxygen in the air. In this video, we'll see this experiment and we will see if oxygen found in the air is 21% or 1/5. So let's start together. Showing that air contains about 1/5 oxygen or 21% oxygen. So the first experiment is done by using copper. On page 54, we have figure 7.3, using copper to measure the oxygen in air. We have this apparatus, which is used to measure the amount of oxygen in the air. Here we have a syringe containing 100 centimeter cubed of air. And on the other side, we have another gas syringe. And in between, we have a silica tube packed with copper. And as you can see, it is subjected to heat. The copper found here will turn black when copper reacts with oxygen. The volume of gas inside the syringe will decrease as long as oxygen is being used. So we are pushing the air inside the syringe, and a reaction will occur between copper and the oxygen found in the air. And since we have heat, the copper is turning black. The heat is moved alongside the tube so that copper is heated before it reacts with oxygen, and in a way in which copper will react with the oxygen effectively. So copper reacts with oxygen to give copper oxide, CuO. Let's see the reaction. This is the reaction. Cu, copper, plus O2, oxygen, reacts to give CuO, copper oxide. Well, copper reacts with oxygen until the volume stops. The copper isn't black anymore, since it stopped reacting with oxygen. When it cools down, we notice that 79 centimeter cubed of air is still present. So what we do is that we subtract 100 from 79 to get 21%. So copper used 21% to react with oxygen. So this is how to make sure that air contains 1/5 oxygen.